Evergreen. Candid. New trends in science. For class 7.
Animal fibers. Clothes are the basic need of human beings. These are made up of different materials or fibers. Look at your friend's clothes and then yours. Are they made up of same fiber? A fiber is generally a strand of a substance which is mainly of two types: natural and synthetic. Different types of clothing. People living in different parts of the country and the world wear different kinds of clothes depending upon the weather conditions and culture. Your school uniform also changes according to the seasons. In winters, you wear sweaters, woolen pants or skirts, woolen blazer and woolen socks. In summer, you wear a cotton uniform. Cotton clothes keep the body cool. They absorb sweat and also prevent you from skin irritation. Whereas woolen clothes keep you warm. During the rainy season, you usually wear cotton clothes and use raincoats, umbrellas, and gumboots to keep yourselves dry. Natural fibers. The fibers obtained from natural sources are called natural fibers. They are divided into two categories: animal fibers and plant fibers. Animal fibers include wool and silk. Wool mainly comes from fleece of sheep. We also get wool from goat, yak, camel, and rabbit. Silk is produced by cocoon spinning silkworm. Animal fibers are mainly proteins, the complex compounds that form a major part of the animal's body. Plant fibers include cotton, flax, hemp, jute, etc. The base of plant fibers is cellulose, which is the material used as a basic structural material in all the plants. Fibers manufactured in industries by humans are called synthetic fibers. For example, nylon, terylene, etc. Wool. Wool is an animal fiber. It is present as a thick coat of hair on the body of certain animals and keeps them warm. Air gets trapped in the spaces between the hair and does not allow the body heat to escape. That is why we wear woolen clothes in winter. Wool fibers have a unique power to absorb and give off the moisture.